munching today? I hope you had fun. I'm a bit out of it today. Did I mention I've been trying to take cough medicine. I was recommended a type of cough syrup. It makes my tummy feel kind of funny. It makes me feel a little drowsy, but it's not too bad. But I thought might as well try it for a week and see if there's any improvement at all. Is it tasty? It's disgusting. It tastes so bad. I get shivers when I take it. It's so gross. Nasty, nasty, nasty. But we'll see if it does anything at all. I'm gonna eat ice cream because I didn't buy snacks. I don't have snacks. And I only ate lunch. And I don't have any food for dinner. So I'm going to eat